special kind. Oh yeah. Stardust melodies dancing in the sky, in the sky. Lost in the beauty, I feel so alive, alive. With each passing night, I'm reminded why the stars hold magic in the heavenly light. In the quiet of the night, a symphony unfolds. Stardust melodies, tales unfold. They paint the sky with hues of grace. In the shimmering dance, I find my place. Each constellation a chapter, each twinkle a verse. In this cosmic symphony I immerse, lost in the whispers of the universe's song. In the stardust melodies where I belong. Stardust melodies dancing in the sky, in the sky. Lost in their beauty, I feel so alive, feel alive. With each passing night, I'm reminded why the stars hold magic in their heavenly light. As the night fades into the embrace of dawn, I'll cherish these moments before they're gone. In the silence of the morning, I hold tight to the stardust melodies guiding me through the night. With each fading twinkle, our memories made. In the tapestry of stars, my dreams cascade. So I'll bid farewell to the night's embrace, carrying stardust melodies in every step I trace.